thanks for a lot for this new concept for living on the border sea for all territory. Make the city boat. What the concept city boat is one city or one boat with the all you can need in your house in your city, and make the boat with restaurant, club, and another structure for food, eat, drink, and making the whole activity uh, for the different form of boat. The lifeboat is some more capacity for living in the community, and you can living for more months. You can live maybe for more years. For this concept, you can take the whole power into the one for make the step after step what you want. And for this, you use the movement on sea, your motor and turbine. You use your pressure of water for making the movement and making all what you want and what you need. In circle for the water compression air, you can have hydraulic press, the big pressure bar. For this long deck, you can use the all last work for trimaran or another boat with air and turbine. You make the with turbine movement and the power for go in and go up, and after you can have this movement for create electricity, and you can create with the electricity gas for turbine, the power turbo turbine, and you can control your turbo with the button. It's so more simply. Create the whole city boat, the platform in sea what you can live for making new market, new job, and new opportunity. Thanks a lot.